Hello, hi. This is Tejashwi back again. I would like to share with you regarding a Perplexity LLM. So, you're all familiar with the ChatGPT LLM. So, this is Perplexity. You can just go to the browser and click perplexity.ai. So, this would be the interface. So, all your answers would be from more trusted sites. For example, say, let me show you. How are AI chatbots and voice bots enhance the customer experience in a real estate? Okay, this is the pro search. We would be having 3 to 4 pro searches in a free subscription. So just go here. So in a pro search, you would get from all the sites, all the trusted sites from Hello, Bright Call, Sendbird. So these are all. Sendbird is a AI chatbots and voice agents platform. It would provide these as services. So this is one trusted site, and apart from that, so it would give the all other sites as well. Cowin is also one good site, and so this is the answer you get. So 24 hours availability, 24/7 availability, instant response, personalized property matching, streamline. So you would get the excellent answers with a good research, and it would give the related questions as well. How do the chatbot personalize the property search experience for clients? So it significantly personalizes the property search experience for clients in several ways, like intelligent data collection, advanced matching algorithms, so dynamic preference learning, so many other things. So to all my researchers, I would use the Perplexity, and we do also have the Chrome extension for this. You can add this extension. So your default browser would be perplexity.ai. So you would not be using a Google or any other for the search results. So if I open the new tab, so here usually you would see the Google, but I can see the Perplexity. So whatever I want to search, it would be like my default browser, like what is Azure. So my default browser itself is Perplexity. So it gave me all the results with most trusted sites. See here, it have given the Microsoft Azure sources, all the Azure products, explore. So you can see everything here directly in the Microsoft site. So that's the thing. And you would also have here the spaces. So you can create a space, and you can also add the bookmark. So this is my one thread I have added as my bookmark. So whichever conversation you feel it's important, you can add it. So I have added this as my bookmark. So apart from that, you can also discover any new things like tech and science, finance, any latest updates you can discover here. And apart from that, so if you try pro, yeah, that would be fine. But the free subscription also would give you all the features. I would prefer for now to go with the free subscription. That's it, guys. And you can also add this as an extension. Okay. Thank you.